This is Bukya Krishna, roll number 20951A2130, Engineering Mechanics, Branch Aeronautical Engineering, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Dundigal. So today I want to discuss about the angle of repose. Angle of repose. The angle of repose or critical angle of repose of a granular material is the steepest angle of descent or dip relative to the horizontal plane to which a material can be piled without slumping. At this angle, the material on the slope face is on the verge of sliding. The angle of repose can range from 0 to 90 degrees. The morphology of the material affects the angle of repose. Smooth, rounded, and such rounded sand grains cannot be piled as steeply as can rough, interlocking sands. The angle of repose can also be affected by additions of solvents. If a small amount of water is able to bridge the gaps between particles, electrostatic attraction of the water to mineral sources will increase the angle of repose and related quantities such as the soil strength. So you can look at the diagram, angle of repose diagram. When bulk granular materials are poured onto a horizontal surface, a conical pile will form. The internal angle between the surface of the pile and the horizontal surface is known as the angle of repose and is related to the density, surface area, and shapes of the particles and the coefficient of friction of the material. Material which with a low angle of repose forms flatter piles than material with a high angle of repose. The term has related usage in mechanics, where it refers to the maximum angle at which an object can rest on an inclined plane without sliding down. This angle is equal to the arctangent of the coefficient of static friction μs between the surfaces. Applications of theory. The angle of repose is sometimes used in the design of equipment of the processing of particulate solids. For example, it may be used to design an appropriate hopper or silo to store the material or to size a conveyor belt for transporting the material. It can also be used in determining whether or not a slope of a stockpile or uncompacted gravel bank, for example, will likely collapse. The talus slope is derived from an angle of repose and represents the steepest slope of a pile of granular material which will take. This angle of repose is also crucial in calculating stability in vessels. It is also commonly used by mountaineers as a factor in analyzing avalanche danger in mountainous areas. Coefficient of friction. The angle of repose is the angle of pi of any granular matter makes to the horizontal. This angle is relevant whenever grain is put in a pile or put inside a bin or a receiving hopper or a drying chamber. A pile remains stable as long as its angle is equal to or smaller than the angle of repose, but the grain slide down whenever more grain is put on top, tending to increase the angle beyond. The pile is formed because of internal grain to grain friction. The tangent to the angle repose is the coefficient of internal friction, that is phi equal to tan theta. Angle of repose, tan inverse of coefficient of friction, varied somewhat among 14 varieties of paddy and milled rice, with a mean of approximately 36.5 degree in both cases. The value determined by many as quoted by Kunze et al. 2004 in is 36 per degree. As expected, the angle of repose of grain increases when the grain contains a high amount of dockage. The above is internal grain to grain friction. There are two other friction values to be considered. Friction on different surfaces such as mild steel or stainless steel or cement surface. Obviously, the friction will depend here not only on the properties of the grain but also on the nature of the surface, including the latter's smoothness. Here again there are two kinds of friction, the static and the dynamic. The former refers to a stationary mass of grains on the surface specified and the latter when the grain is flowing. These are important functions required in designing of bins and chutes, etc. These values have been determined by agricultural engineers. The data have been received reviewed and compiled by Kunje et al. 2000 in 2004. The coefficient of friction are dependent on the moisture content of the grain. In general, friction increases often strongly as the moisture content increases. For instance, the angle of repose of Pusa Basmati 1 paddy is approximately 45 degrees at normal storage moisture, but it approaches 65 degrees when it is fully soaked. Thank you.